earlier. Good to have Jwala here and all the dignitaries on the board. And good to see TNBSL doing fantastic auction in the afternoon. So pretty looking forward to do this because Shiva, I know him for last couple of years now. He played for Tamil Nadu Cricket Association and he always want to give it back to the Tamil Nadu sports fraternity. So I think it's a great honor for us to do something for the different sport, and badminton is very close to my heart. And when we were very young, we used to play with our sister, our dad. So I think it's all the sports is all special when someone is represent country, and she has done so much for the country. So I think we should give her a lot of applause right now. So thank you so much. Enjoy the evening, and thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity for Shiva and a lot of owners. They're gonna have a lot of Tamil Nadu young guns. They're gonna strive forward. They're gonna do really well. And when you have someone who's champion of the game, so hopefully we're gonna have a really, really good time in badminton in Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
Thank you. I next invite a star player, Ms. Jwala Gupta, to come over and say a few words. She's such a bubbly person, so down to earth. Please. Standing high, still down to earth. आप वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं दिख रही।
हाँ मैं देख रही हूँ क्या क्या बोल रहा है।
कुछ भी नहीं है।
Good evening guys. It's always a pleasure to be a part of a badminton tournament, you know, and we need such more tournaments to happen in our country. We need to go everywhere, every part of the country to get, you know, raw talent out, and, you know, hopefully they get to the world level. I want to thank Shiva for bringing me here. Of course, Leaning, the official sponsor. And thank you, Suresh, for your kind words. And Arunachalam sir, I hope you come to my academy in Hyderabad. I think it's always, players always are happy to see an official from the association, you know, it'll boost their morale. And Nikki, nice to meet you. And I hope all of you enjoy this tournament, and it'll be a great boost to the sport and the players, and keep watching badminton. Thank you.
Now for the gorgeous actress, Nikki Gairani, please come forward.
Ellarukku vanakkam. Honestly, my knowledge with sports is not really great, but I am here for a couple of friends who are a part of this association, and I wish the entire team of TNBCL all the luck. My best wishes to all the players, all the team owners, team members, and everybody out here. You have great people from the sports industry here to be the face of this great campaign that they have started. This is the second year, if I'm not wrong, right? So I wish you guys many, many more successful years. Good luck.
Thank you very much, Nikki. Last but not the least, I'd like to call Mr. Shivakumar, the chairman of TNBSL, to give us a thank you note.
Good evening all. Ellarukku vanakkam. Tamil Nadu Badminton Association, I want to thank, because the season 2, the support of association, the Tamil Nadu players are getting more benefited, and the sponsors and the franchisee owners, and all the best for the players who have been chosen today by the 8 franchises. I think around 90 players has been taken from the 300 entries. So and also I want to share one more thing. This is the first time 300 entries for the Premier League in badminton. So it's turned off because of Tamil Nadu Badminton Association support. Everything is coming up, and I want to thank Mr. Arunachalam sir and Dr. Anbumani Ramdas sir for supporting this Premier League concept and everything. And the official partner, Star Sports Tamil, and the equipment sponsor, Leaning. So it's a kind of teamwork which gives me an instant to the next level, to take to the game to the next level. And I want to thank the media, press and everything. So finally coming to the game format, same the 8 franchisee tournament and 8 team from 8 different districts of Tamil Nadu. So 2 teams have been changed from the last season. Kovai Kombans replaced Kovai Nakas, And Kanji Spoke Aces has been Madurai Veerans. So these are the two teams has been changed for the season 2. And this season is going to happen in Coimbatore on June 6 to 13. So finally, our hashtag Smash Parag and the Adam Mahamadinamma game. So you guys want to support really. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. So I would like to thank the sponsors again. We have Star Tamil, Leaning, Suryan FM, and Razmata's group sponsoring today. A big round of applause for the sponsors. A very, very big round of applause for the press and the media that have been here. Thanks to you guys. A very big applause to the team owners who are here. And also a special mention for our two little celebrities over here. We have Shivani of Bigg Boss fame and Shivangi from Cook with Komali. A big round of applause for them for being here. And last but not the least, let's all applaud ourselves for making such a beautiful day possible. There was so much positivity, so much energy, and so much competition. I thank you all for being here. As an MC, it's an honor to be here today. As an auctioneer, this is my first auction and it's been an honor. Thank you very much. And a special thanks to Mr. Balaji and his tech team for doing such a brilliant job. Thank you guys. Have a good evening. Shivani நம்மளுக்காக ஒரு பாட்டு பாட போறாங்க. Shivani வாங்க.
Legend in badminton, Mr. Suresh Raina. I don't need any introduction. It's a pleasure to have you here, sir. Nikki, thank you so much for coming here, and my dear friend Shiva for hosting this TNBSL Season 2. I am very happy to see all my old friends, the owners of the teams of the TNBSL. I really wish you all the luck. I really wish all the players a wonderful time, great experience, and hope